Hi everyone, it's Rob here with another story for you to write. You wake up to find that everyone you live with has turned into a different animal for the day. Which animals are they all? Do they know what's happened and who you are? What happens? Write the story.